Hello and welcome all of you to this class course of mechanical design, a specially designed course for working professionals, and this is the series 4 in this past few series. This is the fourth series, and today we shall be discussing about uh, general arrangement drawings, assembly drawings, subassembly drawings, and detail and production drawings. At the same time we shall be discussing about general arrangement drawings, assembly drawings, sub-assembly drawings, and detail drawings. So let's comes to the let come to the next slide. General arrangement drawings. General arrangement drawings are technical documents providing crucial and detailed overall information of our equipment. That means whenever the equipment in a drawing format, that means we need some crucial and overall informations which are suitable to that particular equipment, and for that general arrangement drawings are being produced. It's a medium of communication, so that's the main reason of producing general arrangement drawings. General arrangement drawings are links connecting concept of designs with real-time application and usually supported with detailed plans, sectional views and elevation views, etc. That means in a general arrangement drawings, what we do, we usually provide some elevation views with some sectional views, and if required some detailed or enlarged views, so that the thing or the construction can be understood very properly or accurately. So that's also another reason of producing a general arrangement drawing. General arrangement drawing collaborates with accuracy and efficiency. This is a very fundamental thing, because that's the importance of a general arrangement drawing, because it's a very good collaborating document in the project. And the second one is its efficiency and accuracy. So these are the three most very important points to remember while producing a general arrangement drawing, that it is a very good collaborating document, as well as it has to be accurate and it has to be efficient. There are three major types of GAs are available: basically structural general arrangement drawing, architectural general arrangement drawing, and mechanical general arrangement drawing. Though we shall be focusing only on the mechanical general arrangement drawing, because this entire series has been kept with a viewpoint of mechanical engineering. So we shall be focusing on the mechanical general arrangement drawing, or mechanical drawings if I say so. So that's the real object. Next here you are seeing a drawing sheet showing a particular machinery. This I have put there because just to show it very basic general arrangement drawing, and you can see that let me at least at first discuss what is this. This is a basically crop and cobble shear, usually used in rolling mill applications, and it is a dividing type crop and cobble shear. So this crop and cobble shear is usually formed with a gearbox coupled with a AC motor, which is coupled by a geared coupling, and this geared coupling has been fixed with the motor shaft along with a distance piece, and the entire arrangement is being seated over a fabricated base frame, and this entire structure has been erected over a foundation on a 53 grouting. So this is a very basic definition of this particular equipment, but this is a very vital and it is a very heavy kind of machinery, because the rating of the motor is 132 kilowatt with 1440 rpm. So it's a kind of heavy structure, and this is a drawing of 850 cc 295 offset crop and cobble shear dividing type. But the major objective of putting this drawing is that to show you that this drawing particularly contains the overall information. That means the height, the pass line height of the material, the total height of the machine, along with these foundation hole centers, so that the erection can be done. So this is an example of a general arrangement drawing. And and this provides a very basic information of the construction of the machine. But though it is not providing the detailed construction, but this has been put as the example of to show you a general arrangement drawing. Next, if we come here, then subassembly and assembly drawings. Subassembly drawings are drawings resembling multiple detailed parts positioned in correct order in correct method of association. That means two different detailed parts needs to be assembled in a proper way, and that association has to be shown in a particular drawing. That particular drawing is called a subassembly drawing. Let's take a very common example. That means let's take a bolt and a nut example. That nuts needs to be fastened over the bolt threads. So that particular arrangement has to be shown in a drawing. This particular drawing is called as the subassembly drawing. Assembly drawings are those drawings resembling multiple subassemblies in a correct manner. Whenever we are putting multiple small subassemblies into a single drawing, but that is not a general arrangement drawing, so that particular drawing is called an assembly drawing. And multiple assembly drawings associates from a general arrangement drawing. So here's the point is, one general arrangement drawings forms with multiple numbers of assembly drawings, multiple numbers of assembly drawings forms with multiple numbers of two or more than one multiple numbers of sub-assembly drawings, and each and every sub-assembly drawings forms with multiple numbers of detailed drawings or production drawings. So this is the sequence of a drawing production method. So general arrangement drawing, assembly drawing, sub-assembly drawing, then detailed drawing. Next, detailed or production drawing. A detailed drawing provides all the information necessary to understand the shape of that part. That means if I need to know the particular shape of any detailed part, then I have to go for a detailed drawing. A detailed drawing provides all the information necessary to understand the shape of that part. Production drawings usually provide all dimensions, tolerances, machining instructions and other special considerations if required. Since a manufacturing person shall produce only one part at a time, it is advisable to provide a single detail on a single drawing sheet. That means whenever it is a very common practice in India that we put multiple number of detailed drawing in a single part. What happens as a consequences? What happens is that we often, more or less often, we produce wrong parts except which one is required. So that is a very common mistake which usually happens in our traditional drawing production process. But the actual genuine method would be to produce a single detail in a single drawing sheet. That should what happen in a standard drawing practice procedure. Now in the next slide we can see there are two different examples of the same part. In the above you can see it is a detailed drawing where you can see that the overall diameter, the counterbore diameter, counterbore thickness or the thread size, these has been mentioned. But in case of production drawing, multiple other information has also been included. These are the tolerances and limits and tolerances. This basically comes within the feature control section. I shall definitely in future make detailed videos with the feature control of ASMEY 14.5 series that I have planned till now. But before proceeding with this production drawing, you need to understand what is feature control and what is limits and tolerance and fits, etc. all that. So I shall definitely make some detailed videos regarding that. But for now, if you can see the both are the same parts, but in case of detailed drawing, the basic dimension have been mentioned, while in case of production drawing, it contains much more information regarding the production of this particular part or detailed part. Here the thread, here each and every dimension has been marked with tolerances, with proper kind of feature control techniques, along with the surface roughness values, along with the total deviations or allowable deviations and offsets, all are been mentioned in the production drawing. So this is basically the detailed differences between the detailed drawing and the production drawing. So that's all what we need to know for now, and this is the fourth series. And if you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Make Chanukko, and I shall be meeting you with the next video. In the next videos I shall be definitely discussing about various layouts, various other kinds of drawings, foundation drawings, erection and commissioning drawings, etc. all will be discussed in the next video. And after that I shall be moving up to actual design method, and as you know that this entire course is being done with an aim to provide information to the regular working person. This is not for this is meant to be for them only. So I think this is going to be add a little bit value in your regular career. So thank you. If you like this, kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.